Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Wireshark on a Windows 10 device. The first thing we want to do is download Wireshark, which is a free tool for capturing packets. So just open a browser and search for Wireshark. Okay, and then we'll need to go to wireshark.org. Once you get to the site, if you scroll down, you'll see here we have an installer for Windows. The latest version is 4.6.4. So just click on the installer to download it. And it should begin the download. And by default, this should download to the downloads folder. So let's open File Explorer here. And go to downloads, and this is the file. It's still downloading. Okay, it's done. So I'm just gonna close the browser. Now to install it, all you have to do is just double click on the file, click yes, next, noted, click next. I'm gonna go with the defaults here, click next. Now if you need to have the Wireshark desktop icon, you can check this box here. I don't need it. I'm just gonna have it on my start menu. I'm gonna click next. This is where it's gonna install Wireshark. I'm gonna click next. I'm just gonna leave this option to install npcap. Next. Now if you're gonna be capturing USB traffic, you'll need to check this option. Otherwise, just click on install. Okay, click I agree. Here we have additional tools that you can install. So for instance, if you want to capture traffic using wireless adapters, you'll need to select this option. Okay, and then if you want to restrict npcap drivers to admins only, you'll need to select this option. I'm gonna go with this option to install npcap, and then click install. Okay, it's completed. Now click next, finish. Next, you can open the release notes if you want to read the release notes. I'm just gonna click finish here, and that should be it. Now we can search. So let's go ahead and search for Wireshark here. So this is the Wireshark app. You can see the interfaces that are showing traffic. I'm seeing traffic on these two interfaces. Now to capture traffic on an interface, select the interface, right click and start capture, or you can select the interface and click this to capture. And then it's going to start capturing traffic on that interface. To end the capture, just click on this here, and that stops the capture. Now you have your packets. You can analyze your packets. You have the window here where you can dig deeper into the different packets that you captured. So for instance, here we have a TCP packet. If you click on it, it's going to show you the source port and destination port. So this is the application, depending on what application you're using. And you have your Internet Protocol or IPv4 packet. It's going to show you the source IP and destination IP. Okay, so source, destination. And then you have your Ethernet or layer 2. This is just going to show you the source and destination MAC addresses right here. You can also filter this capture. If you want to look at specific packets, you can apply a filter here. If you know what the filter is, you can type it in here, or you can also select a packet, right click on a packet here, and then apply as filter selected. Okay, and this is just gonna show you packets that have a source IP address of this. So there's different types of filters we can use. So when you start to type, for instance, IP.address, you see you can use this option. You'll know if it's the correct syntax if it turns green. Otherwise, if it's red, it's not correct. So you have to make sure it's green, and then to apply it, you have to click here. And now it's applied. It's just gonna show me packets that have this IP address. Okay, so that's a quick overview of the Wireshark tool, and that's how you install it on a Windows 10 device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.